Hi guys, let us draft this rose sleeve that Vicky James wore for our wedding together. My name is Ayomide and on this channel I post sewing tutorials. Now let us jump into this tutorial. To get started, you'll be needing your basic sleeve pattern and I've got mine right here. Also, you'll be needing a fresh pattern paper for the alteration we'll be doing for the sleeve. What I'll do first of all is to align my sleeve, that is the elbow line. This line right here is my elbow line. I would align it to the edge of my pattern paper in this manner. Also, I would be using my sellotape to tape it down. After that, I will be marking my measurements. I'm going for a length of 15 inches. However, if you want a much more bigger rose, you can do as much as 20 inches. I'll connect that 15 inches to the topmost part as the apex of my sleeve. Afterwards, I will cut this out and I would have the pattern that I would work with. So guys, this is what my pattern looks like after cutting. This is what I'm going to be placing on my fabric to cut. To cut, I would be using this fabric and I'm gonna have to place it on fold into two. I'll place my pattern on it and I would ensure that this edge right here is placed against the folded edge of my fabric. This is very important. Next, I'll be pinning this pattern down. Afterwards, I would add all of my necessary seam allowances. I'm adding allowance to that edge right there. I would also add half an inch to the side of the sleeve. Once that is all done, I'll proceed to cut this out. So guys, this is what my fabric looks like after cutting. This is what the sleeve looks like. I will then proceed to my sewing machine and sew this down along this edge by half an inch. After sewing, I would be creating a notch around that corner right there to enable easy turning. Then I will trim off every excess seam allowance that I have. So guys, it is now time to create the rose. All I have to do is to turn the sleeve to the right side in this manner. So you grab the sleeve with your both hands on either side and turn it from the inside out to get the rose, right? At this point, you'll be needing a lot of pins to pin the rose down to your desired style that you want. So here I'm just using my hand to arrange the rose so that it can look pleasing for me. Afterwards, I will be pinning it down. So once you're done pinning it down, all you need to do is to tack with your hand needle and thread to secure your rose, else it would fall out. I am done arranging my rose as I desire. To proceed, I will place right side of the sleeve against each other, proceed to my sewing machine and sew it down, and this is the outcome of the sleeve. I absolutely love the outcome. I also tried it on my hand and this is the fitting that it gave me. So guys, if you found this tutorial helpful, kindly give it a huge thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly do so. Please click on the subscribe button, turn on your notifications if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Goodbye.